All right, so we're going to do the U-try for expected value. So if you remember from the last super tiny video, we've got 2,000 tickets sold $5 each, and there's 5 prizes: 2,000, 1,500, 250, and 150. You buy 1 ticket. Let's find the expected value. So the first thing that we need to do is take the dollar amounts that we can win. So the 2,000, 1,000, the 500, the 250, and the 100, and we're going to subtract the amount of our ticket, which is $5. So if we buy 1 ticket, we're actually only winning $5 less than the prize. So we spent money to win the money. So we should have $19.95, $995, $495, $245, and $95. So these are the numbers that are going to go in for our gain, so our X. So the 195, the 995, we're just going to fill in these boxes. And then we have an extra box at the end. If you remember, that's if we lose. So -$5, we're out $5. We spent $5 and we do not win anything. So we do not get that back. Okay. So then we need to show the probability of our random variable X, which is our gain. So we have 1 chance out of 2,000 tickets to win $1,995. Again, we have 1 chance out of 2,000 to win $995. And same for the 495, the 245, and the 95. That also means that there are 1,995 chances that we could lose and not win anything. Okay, so we have 5 chances we could win because there's 5 prizes, and we have 1,995 chances that we could lose after that. So if you remember from last time, our expected value formula is mu, and that's equals to the sum of the random variable times its probability. So we need to do the same thing down here. We're going to take our expected value, which is the sum of our gain times the probability of that. So we're going to take our 1995 times our 1/2000, and we're going to do that for each X value. So 995, 1/2000, I'm going to go down here, 495 times 1/2000, and then 95, nope, I missed 245. 245 over times 1/2000. And you even include the last one, which is our -5 if we don't win, and the 1995 over 2000. Okay, so take a minute to do those calculations. I'm going to pause the video. You should too. All right, so when you're done with your calculations, you should get -3.075, which, because it's a dollar amount, you round to 8 cents, so -$3.08. So what this means is you should expect to lose $3.08 for every ticket you buy. And this is always on average. So take a minute and check what you have. All right, so you need to take this time to work on the practice that is listed below. Use your notes to fill out the rest of the practice sheet. You should pause the video and then you can check your answers.